Are you looking for a new construction home in Newton where your family can grow, play outdoors safely, and feel right at home? Behind me is a beautiful gut-rented colonial home designed for your everyday convenience. It features 4-bedroom, 4.5 bath, oversized garage parking, EV charging, nice quiet fencing backyard for children, play dates, weekend barbecue. Inside, you'll find a bright atrium foyer, high ceilings, a chef kitchen with smart appliances, and open living spaces that make it easy to cook, gather, and keep an eye on the little ones. At the end of the day, the marble spa bathroom gives you a peaceful place to recharge. In today's markets, the highest offer doesn't always win. Here's what actually does. Strategy beats money every time. I'm Hsieh-DeGnore with Living in Boston team. Here are 3 strategies that can help buyers win in a bidding war. Number 1, price competitively. Lowball offers usually get ignored, especially in strong sellers markets. In Greater Boston, most homes still receiving multiple offers within the first week. So your offer needs to be serious from the start. Number 2, show strength with your deposits. A larger earnest money deposit can show the sellers that you are serious, qualified, and ready to move forward without drama. But remember, don't remove contingency unless you fully understand the risk and have the right professional guidance. Number 3, work with a local expert. A local agent knows how to position your offer, communicates with the listing side, and help you compete without making reckless decisions. And here's something every Massachusetts buyer should know. As of October 15, 2025, Massachusetts rules prohibited sellers and agents from conditionally acceptance of an offer on a buyer waiving home inspection rights. That means the old just waive the inspection contingency is no longer the answer. You need a smarter approach. This strategy can help buyers get offers accepted even when competing against cash buyers. I'm Hsieh-DeGnore with eXp Realty Living in Boston team. Do me a favor, give us a call and let us know how we can help you move forward with your dream home.